Welcome to Smart Repair, one of Australia's largest, longest running and most experienced auto repair specialists. Trusted to deliver quality repairs and outstanding service. Knowledge, experience and agility to adapt. We understand that each customer and each repair is different. For accurate assessment, our assessors count and measure each dent. Upon drop-off, each car undergoes a strict check-in process using state-of-the-art technology. Paintless dent removal is often the best method of repair. PDR requires extraordinary attention to detail from our highly skilled technicians. Not only is PDR effective, it is relatively quick and environmentally friendly. PDR does not require sanding, filling or repainting. Full paintless dent removal is usually completed within approximately 5 working days after receiving a vehicle, often exceeding insurance industry standards. We use the latest and highest quality waterborne paints from leading brand suppliers. Smart Repair has developed a unique 2-phase inspection process. Upon passing the first inspection, your car is then washed on site and vacuumed. It must then pass a final quality check before we arrange a suitable time for collection. On collection, our friendly staff will talk you through the completed repairs. At Smart Repair, we are dedicated to getting your car back on the road as efficiently as possible.
9 News can now take you inside one of the vast warehouse operations set up to deal with tens of thousands of cars still pockmarked with dents.
It's a pop-up like no other. An empty warehouse weeks ago, now a dent repair centre for insurance giant IAG.
Given the size of the event and how geographically diverse it was, we've set up 11 of the specialist hail repair centres that you see here.
They are one-stop shops. Cars are assessed and then assigned to the most appropriate type of repair, including the latest in paintless dent repair technology.
Which is the glue pulling methodology, where we're able to remove the dent from outside without damaging the paint.
Tapping away, gently massaging metal back to new. Some of these experts have even been flown in from overseas. Brazilian Diego Almeida just won gold in the World Dent Olympics in Japan. If you're wondering why, despite this, it's taking so long to get your car fixed, insurers have now received 109,000 claims. 72,000 of them are motor vehicles. All up, the damage bill is heading ever closer to $1 billion. IAG, through insurers NRMA and CGU, has 40,000 of those car claims and hopes 90% of repairs will be done by August.
The remarkable thing is that this facility is not even at full capacity yet. The first of 3 paint spray booths has been installed. This area will then be filled with a production line for more traditional panel beating for the more seriously damaged cars. But some cars are not being repaired. These have been written off, never to ride the roads again. And these, damaged at dealerships and the like, will be sold at auction at Moorebank this Saturday. Buy as is, lumps, bumps, dents and all. Eddie Meyer, 9 News.